Welcome, dear listeners, to our spiritual exploration of a fascinating concept, money as a flowing spiritual energy. Today, we dive deep into understanding money not just as a physical currency, but as a dynamic, energetic force that permeates our lives. This perspective invites us to reconsider our relationship with wealth, prosperity, and abundance from a deeply spiritual standpoint. In our first segment, we begin by addressing the fundamental nature of money. Many of us have been conditioned to view money through a lens of scarcity, competition, or as a mere tool for transaction. However, what if we shifted our perception to see money as an energy? In the spiritual realm, energy is the currency of the universe. It flows, it transforms, and it permeates every aspect of our existence. Money, in this light, is not just paper and coins, but a form of energy that moves and shifts according to our intentions and beliefs. Consider this. Energy in its purest form is neutral. It is neither good nor bad. It simply exists. Similarly, money is neutral. It becomes positive or negative based on how we use it and think about it. The energy of money responds to our attitudes and feelings towards it. If we approach money with fear, greed, or negativity, it tends to flow away from us. Conversely, when we treat money with respect, gratitude, and positivity, we attract it. This aligns with the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. What energies are you currently attracting with your thoughts about money? Moving further, let's explore the concept of money as a circulating life force. In nature, everything is in a constant state of circulation. Water evaporates, forms clouds, and falls back to earth as rain, nurturing life. Similarly, money is meant to circulate, to flow freely in and out of our lives, nurturing projects, dreams, and communities. When money flows healthily into and out of our lives, it reflects a balanced ecosystem. However, when the flow is blocked or hoarded, it can stagnate, much like water trapped in a stagnant pond. How does the flow of money in your life reflect the natural cycles of circulation seen in the natural world? Now consider the transformative power of money. Money can be a tremendous force for good when channeled with intention and consciousness. It can support causes, help build communities, and create opportunities for growth and development. When we start seeing money as a tool for transformation, our relationship with it changes. We begin to understand that every financial transaction is an exchange of energy that carries with it the potential to affect change, both locally and globally. How are you using the transformative power of money in your life? To conclude this first part of our exploration, I invite you to reflect on the nature of money as an energetic force in your own life. How do you perceive money, and how might your perceptions be influencing its flow? Remember, the way we think about and handle money can profoundly affect how it manifests in our lives. As we prepare to move into the next part of our discussion, where we will delve into the personal and collective beliefs that shape our financial experiences, take a moment to consider the flow of money in your life. Are there blockages, or is it flowing freely? Stay with us as we continue to unravel the spiritual dimensions of money. Unlocking prosperity, transforming beliefs to foster abundance and align spiritual and financial realities. In the second part of our discussion, we focus on the intricate relationship between our beliefs and the flow of money. It's crucial to recognize that our financial reality is greatly influenced by our subconscious and conscious beliefs. These beliefs are often inherited from our families, absorbed from our cultural backgrounds, and shaped by our personal experiences. They can either open the gates for abundance or erect walls that block its flow. Let's begin by examining the beliefs we hold about wealth and abundance. Many of us carry deep-seated beliefs that money is hard to earn, that wealth is associated with negative qualities, or that we are undeserving of abundance. These beliefs act like filters, coloring our experiences and shaping our financial reality. By identifying and transforming these limiting beliefs, we open ourselves to a more abundant inflow of money. What beliefs about money are you carrying that might be limiting its flow in your life? Furthermore, our collective societal beliefs about money also play a significant role. Societies often harbor complex, sometimes contradictory beliefs about wealth. On one hand, wealth may be idolized, and on the other, vilified. These mixed signals can create confusion and conflict in our personal attitudes towards money. By becoming aware of these societal influences, we can choose which beliefs to adopt and which to discard, aligning our personal energy with the flow of abundance. How do societal beliefs about money impact your personal financial decisions? Now, let's explore the concept of money as an expression of our values and priorities. Each spending decision is a reflection of what we value most at that moment. Whether it's investing in education, donating to charity, or purchasing luxury items, how we spend money sends powerful signals about our priorities. This act of spending is not just a transaction, but an energetic declaration of what matters to us. Reflect on your recent spending. What does it say about your values and how you prioritize different aspects of your life? Moreover, consider the energy of gratitude in relation to money. Gratitude amplifies the energy of abundance. When we express genuine thankfulness for the wealth we have, no matter how small, we set the stage for more abundance. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a principle supported by many spiritual traditions. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we possess, and this positive focus attracts more positivity. How often do you practice gratitude for your financial blessings? To wrap up this part, it's essential to understand that transforming our beliefs about money isn't just about attracting more wealth. It's about creating a healthier, more spiritually aligned relationship with money. As you reflect on your beliefs and their influence on your financial reality, consider what new beliefs could foster a more abundant flow of money in your life. As we gear up to delve deeper into how we can actively align our financial actions with our spiritual values in the next part of our discussion, take a moment to ponder on the beliefs you hold about money. Are they serving your highest good? Join us as we explore further the alignment of spiritual values with our financial decisions. Harmonizing wealth, integrating spiritual values into financial practices for enhanced abundance and joy. Moving into the third part of our discussion, we now turn our attention to the practical integration of spiritual values with our financial decisions. This alignment is crucial for maintaining the flow of money as a positive force in our lives. When our financial actions are in harmony with our spiritual values, money becomes a tool for manifesting our highest aspirations. Let's start by discussing the concept of intentional spending. Intentional spending means making financial choices that directly reflect our spiritual values and aspirations. It involves being mindful about where our money goes and asking whether our spending decisions support our spiritual growth and contribute to our overall well-being. This could mean choosing to invest in products and services that are ethically produced, support local communities, or contribute to sustainable practices. How does your spending align with your spiritual values? Next, consider the power of conscious investing. Investing our money can be seen as planting seeds that will grow and contribute to the energy of abundance in the world. When we choose investments that are not only financially sound but also ethically sound, we contribute to a positive cycle of growth. This might involve investing in companies that prioritize environmental sustainability, social responsibility, or innovative solutions to global problems. What are the criteria you consider when making investment decisions? Furthermore, let's explore the concept of financial forgiveness. Money conflicts can often lead to blocked energy, whether it's resentment over financial inequality, guilt over past spending, or anxiety about debts. Practicing financial forgiveness means letting go of these negative attachments to money, which frees up energy and aligns us more closely with the flow of abundance. This could involve forgiving ourselves for past financial mistakes or forgiving others who may have wronged us financially. How can practicing financial forgiveness change your relationship with money? Lastly, we should consider the spiritual practice of giving. Giving is a powerful way to circulate the energy of money and reinforce the flow of abundance in our lives. Whether it's through donations, supporting a friend's business, or investing time and energy into community projects, giving ensures that money continues to flow, not just to us, but through us. This act of generosity reflects a fundamental spiritual truth, that abundance is a cycle meant to be shared. In what ways do you incorporate giving into your financial practices? As we conclude this segment, reflect on how aligning your financial decisions with your spiritual values can transform your experience of money from a source of stress to a source of joy and spiritual fulfillment. As we prepare to explore the final part of our series, where we will discuss maintaining and expanding the flow of money as spiritual energy, consider how the practices discussed can be integrated into your daily life. How can you make your financial behavior a true reflection of your spiritual values? Elevating prosperity, cultivating and expanding the spiritual dynamics of money for lasting wealth. In this final part of our discussion, we focus on maintaining and expanding the flow of money as a form of spiritual energy. Achieving a sustainable flow of money requires awareness, intention, and sometimes a shift in our daily practices. First, let's discuss the importance of continuous self-awareness in our financial behaviors. Being constantly aware of how our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs about money influence its flow in our lives is crucial. This ongoing self-reflection helps us to promptly identify and adjust any negative patterns that might block or slow down the flow of financial energy. What are some daily or weekly practices you could adopt to enhance your awareness of your financial energy? Next, consider the role of visualization in manifesting financial abundance. Visualization is a powerful tool in many spiritual traditions. By visualizing ourselves receiving and managing money in a positive and abundant way, we align our energy with the possibilities of wealth. This not only prepares us mentally to handle wealth, but also attracts it. The key is to visualize with clarity and emotion, truly feeling the abundance that is coming your way. How can you incorporate visualization into your daily routine to foster a positive relationship with money? Further, maintaining a balanced approach to saving and spending is vital for sustaining the flow of money. Saving provides a sense of security and prepares us for unforeseen events, but it must be balanced with healthy spending that keeps money circulating in the economy and in our lives. This balance is not static. It should be responsive to our life's changes and phases. Reflect on whether your current balance between saving and spending is conducive to a healthy flow of money or if adjustments are needed. Another important aspect is expanding our financial knowledge and skills. Understanding financial principles, investment strategies, and economic trends can empower us. This knowledge enables us to make informed decisions that maximize the positive impact of our money. Education in financial literacy is not just practical, it's a spiritual tool that enhances our confidence and competence in handling money. What steps can you take to enhance your financial literacy and thus the spiritual energy of money in your life? Lastly, Fostering community connections and shared financial growth can greatly enhance the spiritual flow of money. Money that is shared or invested in the welfare of others creates ripples of positivity that return to us in various forms. This could be through community investment initiatives, lending platforms that support small businesses, or simply through helping out a neighbor in need. Each act of financial kindness not only aids others, but also reinforces the circulation of money as a positive force in the community. In what ways can you contribute to shared financial growth in your community? To wrap up our exploration, it's essential to see money as more than just a means of transaction. Money is a dynamic and living energy that reflects our innermost thoughts, beliefs, and values. By aligning our financial actions with our spiritual values, adopting practices like visualization, maintaining a balanced approach to finances, enhancing our knowledge, and engaging in community growth, we not only manage money more effectively, but transform it into a force that enriches our lives and the lives of those around us. As we conclude this series, I encourage you to take these insights and integrate them into your daily life. Reflect on how you can maintain and expand the flow of money as a spiritual energy. Let your financial decisions be a reflection of your highest self, and watch as the universe supports you in manifesting abundance. Thank you for joining me on this profound journey. May your path toward financial spirituality be filled with insight, growth, and abundance.